Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the specific Tradingview chart you want to edit. Make sure the layout is unlocked so you can move objects. Next, select the text or price label tool from the left toolbar. This is where font size adjustments live. Click an existing label or add a new text box on the chart. Once it appears, click it to reveal the object menu. From here, you're ready to access the text formatting options and proceed to precise size changes. Once the object settings are open, focus on the font size control. You can use the drop-down or type a numeric value like 12, 14, or 18 for exact sizing. Make incremental changes and watch the live preview on the chart so you can judge scale versus clutter. Also adjust font family and weight if needed, because different fonts render at different visual sizes. Finally, confirm alignment and color so the text remains legible against candles, grid lines, and indicators. To finish, click OK or Save so your new font size sticks, and lock the layout if you don't want accidental edits. If you don't see the change, make sure the text object isn't hidden behind other layers and confirm chart scaling or zoom isn't overriding apparent size. If problems persist, refresh Tradingview or delete and recreate the text object, entering the desired numeric font size directly. This usually clears cached rendering issues and restores predictable text sizing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.